Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. Today, our topic is oxetane. I will discuss the chemical reactivity of oxetane. In my previous lecture, I have discussed the general structure and preparation of oxetane. So let's start with the chemical reactivity of oxetane. Oxetane, being a four-membered cyclic ring, it is less strained as compared to three-membered heterocyclic ring, which is oxirane. अगर आप इसको जो है वो इसके साथ कंपेयर करें, so the ring opening reaction of oxetane, they are slower as compared to this oxirane. Oxetane, because of hydrogen eclipsing, the strain is present in this oxetane. This strain is called Pitzer strain. अगर आप जो है वो हाइड्रोजन एक्लिप्सिंग की बात करें तो ड्यू टू हाइड्रोजन एक्लिप्सिंग वी हैव this strain. This is known as Pitzer strain. This strain it is reduced due to ring puckering. ये मैंने जो है वो आपको जब हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर डिस्कस कर रहे थे वहाँ मैंने आपको बताया था. Its shape is distorted square shape. So because of this puckering, this strain due to hydrogen eclipsing, it is decreased. So that's why its ring opening reactions, they are slower as compared to three-membered heterocyclic compound than this four-membered heterocyclic compound. Thus it is more stable as compared to three-membered heterocyclic compounds. So first reaction, reaction with hydrochloric acid. So we have oxetane, it react with hydrochloric acid. This is partially positively charged. So oxygen lone pair attacks at this H positive and Cl is removed. We have this protonated oxygen. So this protonated oxygen, it increases the electrophilic character of this carbon. Then this Cl negative attacks at this carbon, which results in the ring opening of this oxetane, and we get alpha, beta, gamma or 1, 2, 3 chloro alcohol ये आपके पास या gamma chloro alcohol आपके पास जो आ जाएगी propanol. So but the hydrolysis, the second reaction in which this oxetane is hydrolyzed, in this case we have oxetane. The acid catalyzed hydrolysis of this oxetane, it results in the formation of diols. So hydrolysis, it is a cleavage of any substance in the presence of water, in which water HOH bond is also cleaved. So suppose we have H positive and H2O. So acid, it protonate this oxygen, okay. Then water hydroxyl group as a nucleophile attacks at this carbon, and this four-membered ring is cleaved. Then we have here OH and OH, because this hydrogen as we used acid catalyst, at the end it is regenerated. So we get diols. So it means in the presence of HCl we get gamma chloroalcohol. On the other hand, the hydrolysis of oxetane, it results in the formation of diols. Next is cyclo-oligomerization and polymerization. So we have monomers, they contain one unit. If 2 यूनिट्स दे आर कंबाइंड, दे आर नोन एज डाइमर। अगर आपके पास जो है वो 3 या इससे ज़्यादा जो है वो यूनिट कंबाइन होते हैं 3 to 10, दैट इज़ नोन एज ओलिगोमर। या अगर 3 यूनिट्स हों तो हम इसे ट्राइमर जो है वो कहते हैं। एंड व्हेन लार्ज नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स दे आर कंबाइंड देन we have a polymer. So oxetane in the presence of Lewis acid, in the presence of BF3. BF3 is an example of Lewis acid because we know that boron, it is present in group number 3. So it contains 6 electrons, its octet is incomplete. That's why this is known as Lewis acid due to electron deficiency of this boron. So this lone pair of oxygen is donated to boron and we have this type of intermediate. Then 2 moles of this oxetane, it attacks, ये जो है वो पहले एक मॉलिक्यूल अटैक करेगा, फिर जो है वो दूसरा हेयर। ओके, देन वी हैव दिस ओके, सो हियर वी हैव 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is a trimer and it is a cyclized, so that's why this is known as cyclo-oligomerization of this oxetane, which results in the formation of 1, 5, 9 oxygen at 1, second oxygen at position 5 and third at 9. Trioxa cyclododecane. This is a cyclotrimer of oxetane which results by reacting with this Lewis acid BF3. On the other hand, अगर आप जो है वो condition change करें and in the presence of water, then we get a linear polymer of this oxetane. So the oxetane in the presence of water, अगर आप जो है वो इसका रिएक्शन करें इन्हीं कंडीशन में, then we have OH, CH2, CH2, CH2 और यहाँ जो है वो n number of these units. They are combined because यहाँ आपके पास 3 में 3 unit and 1 oxygen, then a linear polymer of this oxetane is obtained. यहाँ ये जो oxygen है ये आप समझ लें 4 member ring का part होगी. Okay, so when you change the condition, then we get oligomer or cyclotrimer of this oxetane, and in the presence of water we get a linear polymer of this oxetane. So this is all about the chemical reactivity of oxetane. In my upcoming lecture, I will discuss the other 4-member heterocyclic compounds which contain nitrogen and sulfur. Thank you very much.